Captain, we have main engine failure. Diesel and oil has now flooded the engine room.
Copy. Helmsman, switch to manual steering immediately and keep a sharp eye on what's on our bow. Steer clear from any ship or hazards that may cross it.
Copy, Captain.
What's our speed?
We were doing 12 knots, sir, but we are slowly decreasing.
Copy. Maintain our heading to 055 degrees true.
Copy, Captain. Maintaining vessels heading to 055 degrees true.
Third officer, do we have any navigational hazards present on our ECDIS?
None, Captain. We don't have any hazards present in ECDIS.
Okay, sound the horn. One long blast followed by two short blasts every 2 minutes to know that we are not under command. Then hoist two black balls in a vertical position.
Copy, Captain.
Attention all crew. We are now experiencing main engine failure. I repeat, we are now experiencing main engine failure. All available crew head to the bow for emergency anchoring. Other deck crew, stop what you are doing and proceed to engine room for immediate assistance. Proceed with caution. Oil and diesel has now flooded on the floor. Wear proper PPE and watch your step. Second engineer will lead the backup emergency team. Bosun and Chief Mate will lead the emergency anchoring team. Bridge to engine, bridge to engine. Do you read me? I've sent a backup crew for you to handle the situation immediately. Let me know what more you need down there. Also, I'll keep you informed when we are about to drop the anchor.
Copy, Captain. I'll inform you about the situation also.
Copy. Chief Mate, clear both port and starboard anchor. Wear safety harness and brace yourself immediately. Third, are we good to drop anchor immediately? How's the depth of the water?
We are now still at 10 knots, Captain. 7 minutes from now, then we already dropped the anchor depth. Is still not good for emergency anchoring.
Okay, copy. Third, have you been recording all the decisions and events happening as of now?
Yes, Captain. I have been since Chief Engineer informed us about the situation.
Okay, good. Manila Port, Manila Port. This is MV Wakanda, MV Wakanda, MV Wakanda. We are currently heading towards your anchorage position for emergency anchoring. We are experiencing main engine failure. Requesting to inform other vessels on the heading to course 042 degrees 27 minutes north, 089 degrees 13 minutes west to steer away. Okay. Pan. This is MV Wakanda, MV Wakanda, MV Wakanda. Call sign 12 Alpha 3 Bravo. MMSI number 9871-23654. Time 1200 hours. Course 049 degrees 22 minutes north. 082 degrees 52 minutes west. Our main engine has failed. I repeat, our main engine has failed. We are going to anchor immediately at position 029 degrees 31 minutes north, 089 degrees 59 minutes west. Okay, that's the emergency anchoring position. We are not under command. Requesting assistance. Over.
Captain, we are now good to drop the anchor.
Copy. Engine to bridge. Engine to bridge. Please brace yourself. We are about to drop the anchor immediately.
Copy, Captain. Bracing for emergency anchoring.
Chief, let go of anchor. Brace yourselves. Everyone, brace yourselves. Is everyone okay?
I'm fine, Captain.
Me too, Captain. No problem here.
Engine to bridge. Engine to bridge. Are you alright down there?
We are fine, Captain. Some are just suffering pains from the strain of the harness due to tight strain on their shoulders.
Okay, don't worry. Assistance is now underway. ETA will be 8 minutes. I'll send Chief Cook to bring some ice to the injured crew.
Copy, Captain. Oil and diesel leak has now been controlled. Some oil and diesel are now put on barrels but still not finished.
Copy. Just do what you have to do. Over and out.